Yo, what's up yo? My name is PJ and for our vlog for today guys, we are going once again, we are in Bohol and we are checking out this hotel in Alona Beach. It is called Best Western Hotel. Best Western Plus Hotel. So as you can see, I'm by the poolside. There. So this is located in Alona Panglao. Well guys, so we'll also check the beach again later. And of course, we'll have a swim in the swimming pool. And we'll check out the rooms. Diba? So relatively this is a new hotel here in Alona. And hopefully you'll have a good time here. Diba? So let's check out the place later. Diba? So we'll have a walking tour around the place and hopefully you will enjoy our tour, our mini vacation here in Alona Panglao, Bohol. Ivywall Resort. Wow. Si Citta. Di ba bago man eh? Room raid. Pili mo sa bata. Ito ang bata. Pili ko lang ang bata. Or imong dal. Two double beds. This room is good for 4 persons and 1 child. Wow. So, mag 1 year pa lang pala itong place guys and we are on the 6th floor and ito na yung pinakamataas niya guys, 6th floor lang siya and this is our view we have the sea view. Yun, di ba? Nice. So you can really relax up here, and you also have the swimming pool view down there, and some, I think there's mga deck, viewing deck downstairs, diba? And of course the beach side, you can see the beach from here, from up here. Nice. So mamaya guys, we will have a walk dun sa, that's what you call the Alona Beach, diba? So it's white sand siya guys, white sand, and mamaya maglalakad-lakad tayo mamaya, and we'll check out the place, and of course swimming pool. I think it's nice, diba? Very nice. So it's really relaxing up here guys. You're seeing the view, diba? And yung simoy ng hangin, yung fresh air, kumbaga. There, so relax muna tayo guys, di ba? Paminsan-minsan, away from the stress, di ba? Away from your busy life in the city. And this is just in Panglao guys. It's relatively near lang man sa Tagbilaran city. So it's just around mga 40 minutes of travel. So yeah, if you just want to relax, di ba, na hindi masyado malayo sa city, definitely this is your place guys in Panglao, Bohol. Terraza de Terraza. Alon Cafe, Alon Tiora Terraza, beachfront. Diyan tayo ganyan sa taas. 6th floor. Hindi siya design, no? Kanang kasi tao ka nga design. Yeah. Hindi siya linear. Alon Bar Lounge. The swimming pool. So we are just touring around the best Western Plus Hotel. We just passed by the pool and we are going to the beachfront there. We are now headed to the beachfront. Yon. There. Beachfront. So, I would like to say hi and hello to my 360 subscribers, diba? Wow, thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel, and special shout out to Sir Kenneth Oclarit. I think he's from Bohol, diba? So, hello sir, thank you for always watching my video. Yon. So, we are now headed to the beachfront, and we can feel again the white sand as we walk around the Alona Beach. Yon. We are back in Alona Beach with white sand here at Panglao, Bohol. So last time we were at Henan Beach Resort, and this time we are now at Best Western Plus. So they also have this beachfront, same vibes. So we'll be heading to the Henan. To just walk around and enjoy the sea breeze and the white sand. Happy hour, yeah. The last time we mentioned that we'll be back again at Henan because of the happy hour. The buy one take one ba to? Buy one take one drinks. So it's from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and it's 4 p.m. so we'll just take a walk and enjoy the sea breeze, diba? The white sand and the view, the clouds, and the people, diba? Enjoying a day off here in Panglao. So I'll take some videos of the place, the beach, for you to enjoy, guys. So I'm gonna switch to the rear, to the back cam for a better viewing. Yan. So there are a lot of people, but not that crowded here, guys, here in Panglao. So I think that's better, diba? You can still enjoy the beach with lesser crowd, diba? Same Same white sand, same vibes. Vibes, di ba? Tropical vibes. Yahay Resort. Kuan ni siya diri sunbathing section. Just chilling and enjoying the beach, di ba? Sit. Oh,